Alright, you guys, this is the finished look of these party favor bags. You guys, this is a set of 10. There are two of Smurf and then there is two of her as well. This is for a little girl. You guys, I absolutely love how this turned out. Let me tell y'all, I was busting my brain trying to figure something out, because if you look, there's no Smurf bags on Amazon. There's no Smurf bags on Google. I went to Party City, Walmart. You guys, there were no Smurf bags. So I had to conjure something up in my brain. This is not what I had in mind, but I think it turned out better than what I visioned. So yeah, I love it. 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 I hope she likes it, because she has no idea what they look like or what I was coming up with. But I hope she likes it. If anybody is interested in a custom order or anything like that, you know, just comment below. I will respond to you. If you have any questions at all, you know, please feel free to comment, and I will also respond to you as well. But you guys, I just wanted to show you the project that I have been busting my brain on. Whew, you guys, because this was like a crunch time order, because I will be going out of town for spring break next week. I will not be here. So I got this done in like 4 days, you guys. I was busting my brain trying to get this done. But I will see you guys very, very soon. Bye.